Good morning, chat. Good morning. All right, big sell-off finally. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This could be a buy up here, but I feel like it's gonna pull back more. It's like an awkward spot. The market really needs to pull back. By the way, for the first time ever, I went under review. So my payouts are under review, except the one account that got approved yesterday. Because I am slightly over 30% on a couple of them, due to rhythmic issues. So I was debating if I should just not request yet. I'm very close to being 30% now, but I need a couple more good days. Okay, so I'm at a new low. Let me trap here short, but let's see what happens. Is my data lagging? No. Camera's not focused? Seems to be focused on my end. Let's see. I used to buy this all the time. I get stopped out here. I probably would have been stopped out. Yeah. Oh. Interesting. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the new setup. I've been watching YouTube videos on like desk setups and studio setups for YouTube and stuff. I think I'm gonna go with 4 screens. So it's less moving like this and more moving like this. Did you guys take any trades yet? Yeah, I won on the open. Got kind of lucky on it, but I would have won regardless. This is my opening range trade here. That's only on bull knocks. Positions, I have everything. Positions is everything. That's my positions here, so they all show up. Maybe I could keep it like this. I could get rid of the volume. I don't really use it. But I use Rhythmic to really control or monitor my P&L. My balance is all that stuff. I mean that you have working orders for that. But usually they all fail. It's very rare that they don't. But yeah, it's good to pay attention. Another lower high. So the market started off very strong and now but it's almost 20 minutes. I have not taken the trade. That is kind of crappy. I don't use a stop loss for the opening. That's why I don't trade it on Apex. Oh, Powell speaking on 10. Thanks for letting me know that. I don't even know what I like here. Thank you. Thank you. You don't have to donate, but I appreciate that. Yeah, sometimes it's the reason why I'm waiting for a good setup is because I know I need, 50 66, and this is going to be hard to get it in chop, so I'm going to be patient for something to happen. Usually patience pays off. Sometimes there is no setups. That's the Am I tired? Oh no. Just I actually had a pretty good night of sleep. I just woke up right before the market opened though. So maybe I'm not fully awake yet. Like, like the morning, I literally got up out of bed at 9:20 a.m. I use 1 minute, 5 minute, and an hourly. But I check different time frames all the time. Daily. I mean, daily is kind of useless right now. Hourly, there's not much. I mean, it's just been a very crazy market. I haven't seen something like this in a while. Like, just to go straight up every single day, that's just insane. Like, just think about it. If you just long, you have so many better opportunities or better odds of winning. If you just like look on the macro scale, if you just wait, like I'm not even looking for a short. I don't even care. Like Could be a great short setup. I'm not gonna take it because I'm just looking for longs right now. Kurt, the winning percentage will not have anything to do with that because that's not Ryan's setups. That's his ATM. I use ATR, which is the same thing. This shows me that the last 13 candles have a range of 9 points on average. That's why I use the ATR, just to see. Like, I prefer to see this like over like 12 right now. 12 to 20 is that sweet spot. 20 is already kind of very violent. Yeah, I started with 4K and I turned that into 8K. Yeah. There she goes. Let's go, Powell. Say something stupid or something good and make the market move. Monkey Trades, thanks. These accounts are under review for Payout. These 6, because they were, my best day on these is 2,000. So they're not quite at 30%, but it's because I had that losing day last week. But whatever. All right, minute and a half. Yeah, I know. That's called legend. Waiting. Half hour, no trades. That's crazy. That is not like my usual day. Am I gonna watch? No. But let's say he might not even move the market a lot because it might not have. It's a testimony of some sort, so I don't know if that's gonna. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for launch. And take off. See, I wouldn't mind seeing this. Nope. Abort the mission. Oh man, come on. Still chop. I'm sure he hasn't started speaking yet though. But it's so funny how the market moves like as soon as something's announced, you know, but like they haven't done anything yet. They probably just said hello. All right. The EMAs are flat. Made a higher high here. Yeah, this is not like major news. The only news you can't trade, guys, is tier 1 news. I don't know if you know that, but that's like the main news you can't trade. FOMC. Like a lot of the 8:30 a.m. news. I don't know if any of the 10 a.m. news are really forbidden, to be honest. I don't know. I think the only thing you have to be careful is windfalling. If you windfall news, then that's a problem. But if my setup sets up right now, I'm taking it. I don't care if there's news. You could do that. I just wish it would break the lows and then come back. Windfall means like you're gonna make like 2 grand versus when you, like for me, for example, I make around $200 to $300 per trade. If I make like 1,000 on the trade on news, that's a windfall, you know, like that's so obvious that you traded the news and traded differently from the rest. Dun-dun-dun-dun. To me, ES is untradeable. I don't know how people trade it, to be honest. Like, to me, this is just barcodes. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable trading that at all. I think I would trade RTY or YM before I would ever trade ES. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not used to the movement. I don't know. Because I used to, and yeah, it's a consistency rule. Like, see, that's why when people get denied payouts, I feel like there's always something they don't tell you. Like if they're fighting it, right? Some people will tell you what happened, but some people are gonna pretend that they didn't break any rules and they got denied. I mean, I don't think that's the case. Yeah, gold is freaking dumping big time. Been watching it since 10 o'clock because it had a violent move right at 10. The only thing is, I don't really know how to trade gold for ticks. How many ticks do I need? 21. Maybe like 30 ticks and 15 tick stop loss. All right. Hold on, we might have a trade here. Gold is also setting up. What issues, Todd, exactly are you referring to? Like the rhythmic issues? The payouts, dude, I'll show you in a bit. They paid out 35 million, biggest month ever in June. $35 million paid out in June, and they're denying payouts for no reason. I don't think so. There's always a reason when someone gets denied a payout. All right. Hopefully pull back before we break a new candle, but there we go. Looking weak. Think it's gonna be a loss. Yep. Yeah, looking weak there. Just too big of a candle, I think, overall. I was going based on this new high here. Didn't fail yet. I really hope it just falls apart. I don't feel like taking it again. Right in this area. Just... I have to, though. I should just wait for a new setup. I'm just gonna wait for a new setup. Let this play out. This is probably gonna work, but hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it pulls back. If this works, then yeah, I should have taken that. It never invalidated the setup. It's just my stop was too tight, so I should have been retaking that. Ba, 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 ba. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Can't hesitate, guys. Can't hesitate. I'm not trading well last 3 days. I don't know what it is. That's a winner right there. 60 ticks. It's gonna pick direction right now. Look, this was a setup, right? It never got invalidated. I just got stopped out. I almost placed the order there, and I said, you know what? Let me just wait for a whole new setup. And there you go. Hesitation leads to sometimes losing. Because if you're not taking your setups, what am I gonna trade now? I have no setups now, so I just missed the opportunity. Therefore, I made a mistake. You just gotta be hard on yourself, guys. If you're always making excuses, you're just doing yourself disservice, you know? But whatever. Can't cry over spilled milk. Yeah, the bottom was better, but I have to wait for a candle to close green. At least try. I don't think the result would have been any different. Maybe I wouldn't have been stopped out, but like if this actually pulled back, if this pulled back more, right? If this pulled back, then this trade would have been done. But this was just a tiny pullback. It's just my stop loss was too tight, which is okay. But I gotta be able to retake that trade again. Done that many times. I was just being hesitant. I don't know who's gonna win. I don't think England's gonna win, but who knows? There's been a lot of like teams like France hasn't been scoring at all, and they're somehow winning. So it's dun 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 dun. Dun. Oh, I'm annoyed now. I didn't take that. I had it ready to go. Just had to press the button. Martin, very nice. Yeah, gold made a nice setup too. Missed that. Still could be an opportunity in gold, but I'm not super confident. Well, whatever. Well, now we hang out till we get a trade set up. That's what trading is. Sometimes trading is so boring. Like a short below this 750 area is looking good too. As long as this doesn't make a new high. But that's not really, I'm not really taking shorts now, so I'm just saying that out loud so I could see. I don't think it's that risky, to be honest. Ruben's World. Unfortunately, the open has not been good. I mean, I guess today could have worked. Yeah, I have a specific way of passing 50k evals on the open. Or any volatility, really. But I don't promote it because why am I gonna... You gotta learn how to pass evals manually, so... It's not gonna help you with going into a PA account, right? Oh, man. Yeah, it's not doing anything. But you gotta get into these influx points. Once you get into the influx points, you'll get, a few ticks. I am green. That usually means that you did something that is questionable, that they gotta dive deeper into your accounts. I am under review right now for being over 30%. Wow. So slow. Am I under review? Yeah. Because I have a couple accounts over 30% slightly, especially if I lose like today, I'll get denied. Like if I lose like on a bigger scale, I'll get denied because of the loss last Tuesday. That kind of put me in a bad spot, but I was like, I'll request it regardless. Maybe I'll have to wait till, July 15th or something to get approved. So maybe I'll have time to grow the account. No, it doesn't mean denied exactly. Okay, let's see if this would have worked out under 750. Seems like it would have. Yep. It's hard to find traps in the range market, so yeah, crazy range. Good morning, Omar. How we doing? We're just chilling over here, trying to find something. Hesitated on this though. Really upset about that. Especially on a day like today where there's limited opportunity, but hopefully patience will pay off. There we go. All right, so we got all right. See, like that short setup was nice, but we're breaking on the hourly chart too. Do I have any accounts to take profit? No, I do not. $300K by August. You mean my payouts or what? Back to green. Very nice, Chris. All right. The harder we sell off now, the better the bounce. So let's keep it going, baby. Nah, I hate those big candles. Come on. You serious? One candle's gonna... See, a candle like that is a winning trade. Wow, what a move. And I guess that's not gonna work. Go lower. I prefer that. I'll take that all day, every day. Thing is, if this makes a new low, this is invalidated. I will have to take it there. But finally some movement, guys. The patience paid off, right? Now we just have to be careful with this. So you could have pull back, lower low, trap, and then this could be a short trap here. I mean a long trap. That's just how I see it, at least. Yeah, in case my trading career doesn't work out, I could be the next Picasso. The digital version. Mine didn't go out. Yes, I'm using Apex Rhythmic. Yeah, the like police is here. Hit those likes, boys and girls. No, I've actually never had that experience where auto trigger. If I was not in the trade, it would never put me in the trade. I never had that issue. I know some people did. I have enough room to take it long, so I'm gonna take it long. Just gonna have to run the target before the highs. Maybe not. Or maybe. Just gonna take the risk off the trade. It's not the ideal trade, right? So I'm still in trades though. Close all. Yeah, Rhythmic is messing up, guys. I don't know what just happened there, but what was my P&L before? What was my P&L before that? 71. Holy shit, what the fuck? Oh no, I was gonna say. I don't know. It showed I was in trades on QUANTOWER, but not on Rhythmic, so I don't know what that means. On Rhythmic, it was fine. But yeah, this is gonna work out again. I don't know. Just trading very scared, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to change this. What should I apply? See, another trade that was a winner. Do I guys, do I take the trade and walk away? Take a stroll? That might be the best app. Like, I'm legit nervous trading sometimes, and I just not sure what to do. William, unfortunately, always flip-flops on the wrong side. I would be up around $50,000 more if I did not do this on the last 3 days. That's why I wanted to run the highs here. I don't know what to do. I don't understand why I'm trading like this. Literally, because my average winner is around 7,000. It's double this. So what is this? It's like around 8,000. Okay, my average win if I let it go to the full target. And I've had at least three, two. No, this is 2 today. I've had at least like 4 or 5 trades where I just got out and they would have worked out fully. So that's the thing. I'm not trading my P&L. If I was trading my P&L, I would let the trade work. I don't even watch the P&L, to be honest. When I'm in the trade, I don't see the P&L. I just watch the chart. No quant, you can't do micros with that many accounts. With 23 accounts, if you trade micros, unless it's not about the loss. It's about just it's not about money. It's not about anything. It's about getting into the trade and trying to be right and not trying to lose, right? So I'm just outsmarting or trying to outsmart the system when it's just not gonna work. Obviously, I have payouts pending. That might have something to do with it. I'm trying to be green at all costs because I had a red day last Tuesday. I don't know. I haven't had any single trades go right to my target either. I think that would change if I get a trade that just goes directly to my target like we've seen many times, then it's gonna be easy to just risk on the next trade, right? But every trade I feel like I struggle with and I can't get that first trade to work. But I think yeah, I think just accepting, once I pull the trigger, accept the win or the loss. Unless I'm on like, let's say if I'm on like 45 ticks, then maybe put a stop to break even. But Todd, but that's not how it works in sports either. Sometimes focusing on what you do only good and not what you do bad is not gonna improve you on the bad. I know exactly how well or how good my entries are. I mean, I've been doing it. I mean, look at my entries yesterday. Look, didn't get full win, did not get a full win, did not get a full win. And look at my entries, especially this one and this one. Friday, same thing. Sick entry, sick entry. Not a full win. That's what I have to improve. I think I know what it is if I think about it logically right now. The reason why I'm doing this is because I haven't won on a full trade. So if I had so many winners and now I feel like I'm going to have to lose at some point, right? I'm going to have to lose at some point. So I feel like every trade I take now is going to be a loss. And I just try to, I guess, prevent it. I don't know. Oh, well, missed another opportunity. What are you going to do? I mean, not much you could do there. Hopefully it does make a new low, because then it will be a trap. But we'll see. Oh, it could also actually trap right here. I see another trap. Yeah, that's the trap. Right to here. If your platform keeps messing up, then definitely don't be trading. Trading therapist, they ain't gonna help anything. With the 150k, you could do 2750. Oh god, what a move! What a move! Damn, just insane entries. I gotta give myself that, right? I gotta give myself that my entries, there's no reason not to be confident now in my setups. Yeah, 15 points, that's good. No, spot, I don't go by targets. I go based on setups. I go based on my schedule. That's how I trade. Yeah, TB, exactly. That's my fear. Next time I'm going to hold, that's what's going to happen. It's going to be a 50 tick move and then pull back to a loss. Ah, 150K? I don't even know. I think it's... What is 150K now? Do they have a promo on it? I don't even know what they have. The recurring is going to be the same as the current price. It's 80% off. Oh, it's $40. Yeah, I should have known that. It says it right up there. Nah, nah. Can't do 2 micros, Luke. With 2 micros, I would need 5 times the bigger move. It ain't gonna happen. It's fine, guys. It's fine. I'm just out loud thinking what I need to improve on. It's not to change stuff. There's no reason to change anything right now, right? The only thing that I should be changing is not moving my stop loss. That's the only thing that I need to adjust. And if I take losses, then so be it. But got plenty of cushion in the account to take some losses. Okay, here we go. Took it too early. Okay, I'm walking away. This is gonna lose because this hasn't set up yet, so I should stay and just because it's gonna give me a second entry. That's the only thing, is like if I walk away and it gives a second entry, then ends off. Once I'm at like 50 ticks though, I want to definitely move the stop. Oh, if there's a pullback. Like now, if it pulls back, then so be it. You kidding me? See, this is the anxiety I get. Oh my god, no way! Why? Why does it have to do that? Why? You know it's gonna come back. Ooh, I'm so close to time to close it. I want to close it. Come on, go up. Go up. Hmm. Unbelievable. The amount of stress. Ugh. No fucking way. The mic is playing oh my god. That is awful. That is awful. I can't take that, guys. There's no freaking way I'm losing on the trade with missing in one tick. Jesus Christ. The fuck was that? Unbelievable. Good exit. It's gonna hit though. Watch, it's gonna hit. Now it's gonna hit. Re-enter. Re-enter. Should have re-entered at the break of this candle. But I hope you guys see what I'm saying. Pull back. Trap. This is the setup. This is gonna hit. It's gonna hit. To like a pullback. Yeah, but I guess they don't take it. I don't know where the entry is for that. Because this is a much bigger. It could have happened. Could have happened here too. Like if this would have made it low. But I understand it much better when the price is bouncing off the lows. I understand it here way more than I understand it up here when it's doing it up here. Like this is where I struggle with it. But I can't believe that didn't hit, guys. I can't believe that did not hit. We got 47 ticks out of that. I think we're... Yeah, one tick away from freaking target. Are you kidding me? Nathan, yeah, I'll be watching. Because I can't watch the final. How great is that? Aspirations. My my take profit was always 50 ticks. I switched to 60. couple of times. And I think there was an update in QUANTOWER that saves the recent ATM. So unless I saved it myself, I might have saved it myself, I think. Yeah, okay. I did that as default, so I've been just using that. Is this another trap here? I mean, this is a lower high here, though. That's the problem. But that's a big wick. I'd much rather buy down here. I don't like to exit manually because I feel like when you exit manually, it's a lot of discretion, especially on the stop losses. If I were to exit manually on stop losses, I would definitely break that rule at some point and just let it go against me, and that would just hurt. You don't need to use a hard stop. You can't even use a hard stop on Tradeovate, so it's fine. You don't need a hard stop. It's just mentally for me much better. Come on, just go to the lows. Give us a nice bounce off the lows. Full win. And then we'll call it a day. Yeah. Kind of wants to break. Should be in a little bit lower, but whatever. I wanted to get in on limits, so all the accounts get in. It's stuffing it. Yeah. I gotta just wait. This was not the setup. This was just playing a trap of this, but there's no higher high here, so it's gonna lose. And we're gonna be down again. Fortunately. Yeah, this was not the right setup. This was a lower high, so this is not accurate. I just wanted to play off the lows here. That's all right. Hopefully it gets down to the lows and bum 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 bum. Oh mother, come on, don't do that. I needed to go down. I'm not taking this, that's for sure. It will be annoying if this goes up, because that's just timing issues there, but that's not really my setup. Although, if you want to be very picky about that, pull back, higher, high trap, and goes, right? So technically there's something to it, but I think we need to wait for a better location. Astro, no, I want under review. I probably won't be approved till I might not be approved a lot. I need to have green days to get approved, but oh, the 80% off deal ends today, guys. Wonder what they're gonna do after that. I just noticed. But yeah, I am under review. First time. But I know why. But not all the accounts are. Some accounts might be denied for 30%. Because of that big red day I had last Tuesday. I kind of went, I dipped down below. Then I didn't really recover fully. Nah, that's all right. I knew that, so I'm okay with getting denied. But I've also been approved for being over a little bit over 30%, so there we go. Come on. Retest the lows, baby. Oh yeah. Most people get approved. Even though you got under review, most people still get approved. What I have going for me is I have a lot of days traded, so and the day that gave me over 30% is the rhythmic issue day. But look, I've traded for 24 days, right? So it's not like I grew the account one day and then just in 8 days got it to pay out and was hoping for the best, right? It says it on the review. Usually it says pending, but yeah. Can we retest the lows? Doesn't seem like it. It seems like it wants to just trap up here, so we'll see. Lucky there. Super lucky there. Super lucky. I'm still waiting for that setup, but I think it's invalidated now, pretty much. I'm really hoping we get to the lows. Yep, it's QUANTOWER. Why is it getting... I don't know. I think retesting the lows would be the ideal spot. But it's failing to go lower right now, so... Oh. Maybe. Just maybe. A lot of resistance here, though. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't trigger me. It keeps going lower. Come on, let's get a big flush. There we go. I'm gonna move the chat over so I could see you better. Yeah, like sometimes they if you're over 30%, you're not always gonna get denied. Sometimes they might miss it. Sometimes they just see that you didn't just gamble it. It's not a black and white consistency rule like on bull knocks. On bull knocks, it's a 40% consistency. If you're at 41%, you will get denied. Finally, it took me a way longer time to get to 20 PAs. What do you mean 2 weeks? How could it be 2 weeks? What do you mean 2 weeks by that, Nathan? Which payout window are we talking about? Okay. But the first part of the trap. No, you can. Who said you can't? Why wouldn't you be able to pass in one day? Well, if that's only a promo, yeah. So if it's ending today, then it ends today, and then whatever promo that they have. But yeah, it's a 1 day pass is a promo from Apex. It's not something that they changed permanently. Now I can't even get the trade to go my way. It wasn't a trap. I mean, I kind of went by this trap here, but really needed to break the lows. A lot of resistance up here. No, I do not have information on that. I have no idea. I don't pay attention to the Discords. I'm not active in any of them. I will retake it on the break again, obviously, but it's not a good day today after all. Just like last Tuesday. They've been having this promo for a while now, yeah. It just might not be 80% off. It might be 71% off. Yeah, there isn't any clean setups. Again, didn't really invalidate yet. It's days like today that I really have to remember not to move my stops and to get my full targets and all that stuff, because it's really hurting me on the bottom end, like today, right? Like yesterday should have been, you know, between $500 to $900 per account based on my entries, and it was only $280 a day per account. So it's like I really have to focus on letting the trades work, I think. Because now I'm losing, right? So the losses are being affected in much bigger way because I'm not letting the winners count for what they are. This did not get invalidated again, and I'm gonna take this. It's gonna lose because that's how markets work. I didn't take this one, or what was it? I forget which. Yeah, I think it was this one. I didn't take it again. But we need a trap. We need a trap somewhere. Give me a good trap. I really hate these big candles. Like this is the trade in its own, you know? Like this candle right here, if I would have just jumped in a little earlier, it would have been at least the break even. Ah, what a chop. I'm over that stage now, tech T. I'd rather get denied than I have enough cushion in the account, so I'm not stopping trading them at all. I want to trade every single day. That's how you make the most money. If you don't pay your fee for your PA account, it will be gone. So definitely pay your fees. The account will just be gone. All right, maybe. Got two options, trap here or trap here, or trap here. Matthew, probably yes, but it depends. I didn't in the past, but I have enough payouts now where, and I'm pretty confident in my trading. But it depends how badly you need the payout. For me, I don't need it right now, so I just want to grow enough cushion in the accounts that I just want to get to the cycle of every 2 weeks I get a payout, even if I don't have the best trading, cycle. Okay, that's what we wanted to see. Whoa. All right. Big candle there. I had my July payouts, 6,250 is from Apex, 6,900 is from Bullnox, and 1,400 is from Top Step. A little bit too low on the entry. Usually I try to enter a couple, a few more ticks higher. Hopefully this pullback survives, and then off we go to the target. Does not seem like it wants to go. I was expecting a much faster move. Damn, guys. I have to call it a day. Oh my God, imagine. It's gonna come back. I'm gonna move it one tick down lower. That's why I usually enter a few ticks above the previous candle high for this reason. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. If it breaks that, we're in good shape. But if it doesn't, then I might have to call it a day. I gotta see what my P&L is gonna be, but I don't want to be down more than 20 grand, so I might not have any more room to risk. Okay, down 12. I guess I have one more trade in me. Payouts are getting denied, unfortunately. That's the pressure we trade with, but yeah, it's just not a good day for longs, I guess. Today is not the day. Finally getting some bearish movement. But I have to take that again. I just can't not take it like I did the first time. I maybe should have waited for the break of this. But this will be my last trade if it loses, of course. Same as last Tuesday, basically. Quite unfortunate. Actually, if this loses, then it doesn't matter, but unfortunate stop out there. Chris, don't worry. I haven't looked at chat in a while. Let's see if it holds. That's a good sign right here. Definitely in that reversal pattern, it's just letting it breathe is the hard part. Come on, just explode. Struggling big time, struggling big time. All right. Let's see what the chat was saying. I haven't looked at the chat. Payouts getting denied because I'm gonna be well under 30% now, or well over 30%. All right, 16,000. That's not terrible. That's gonna be worse. All right, that's gonna be it for the day. That is all good. I just gotta get better at winning, right? I'm supposed to have $20,000 days every single day for the last 3 days, and I didn't. So days like this are gonna happen on a losing day, right? So on the green day, I have to be better. I cannot be taking these 60 tick trades and turning them into 10 ticks or 15 ticks. It just is not going to make me a profitable trader. So I have to get better at that. But other than that, today is just not the day for longs. It's just not the day for traps. It's choppy, barcoding all day. I'm okay with that. That is totally fine. I am upset with myself for the last few days, not for today. All right. I'm going to hang out on stream for another 15-20 minutes. We're going to talk about today, and then I'm going to be done. Tomorrow's stream is going to be very short, guys. Tomorrow I have to be somewhere at 11 o'clock. So tomorrow is going to be another day where I'm under pressure. Same as last Wednesday. So I might just take one. Okay, now it's definitely a trap. So if you're not down for the day, this is definitely something I like. But again, eventually it's gonna go, right? It's just the timing, the tight stops, the chop, everything is just... Yeah, now it's gonna go. See, just no patience for the true traps today. But it's part of the game. I just gotta get better on the winnings. That's all I can say. Losing days will happen. It's gonna be part of the game. But when I have a winning days and I'm turning them into minimized winning days because I'm afraid of giving back profits, and then day like today happens and it shows me why it's so important to make the wins count. I mean, look how many winners. One. And remember, my winners are double my losses, right? 2, 3, 4. This was what? This was 38, so only half of the win. 4, 5, 6, 7. What was this? Yeah, 7. Break even here. And it just goes straight up. 7 times, let's say I missed out on average 30 ticks. It's more than that, but that's the difference. And I gotta get better at it. Martin, it shouldn't be confusing to you. Take your biggest day. See how much you need to have on the account, the balance, right? I need these balances to be over 56,000 to get a payout. Right now they're at 55,000. Philcos, what are you even... Are you smoking something? Oh, I'm just curious. Yeah, one payout got approved. These accounts should be fine. These accounts should be fine. But I also, these accounts, I don't want them to be approved because now I don't have enough cushion in them. I don't want them to be approved and then not have cushion. I rather just... I really hope that Apex doesn't approve me till the very last day to let me grow a cushion on the accounts. No, I was just wondering because you're like saying like don't give up hope. Like I don't know, understand like where did that come from? Like no, my biggest loss is 20. Nah, my biggest loss are like almost 30,000, but this is my second biggest loss since implementing the new stop loss rules. For the past months, no, I never got denied because I never broke any rules that were there for denials. In the past, the denials were consistency, flipping, and windfall trading. If you did not do any of those, you were fine, and I never did any of those. But today's losing day makes everything look bad for people that are just tuning in the first time or whatever, right? It makes it look super bad. But this is the profits I should be making every single day that I'm green. But for some reason, I'm just very nervous. But now I'm not going to be nervous anymore because now there's nothing on the line, right? Now it's just back to normal. So now it's gonna be let the trades win and let them work. It's gonna be just a grind till but like this account I should just stop trading, I think. Because this one is definitely gonna get approved. So I should just stop trading this account and just let it. At least I'll get 10 grand from Apex if, you know, another trap. But see, the traps are just not working today, I guess. I guess on the downside, they're not gonna work as well. Probably doing the traps to the short side, I don't even notice. Yeah. I do not use order flow. Nope. Everything you see is what I use, except I do have some other time frames on the chart as well. This. Could put the chat up here since I'm done trading for the day. I trade with Top Step too. Everything you see me do on Apex, I do on Top Step. Oh, I guess that's not gonna work. This is my Top Step account, same thing. Down 530 on that today. Tuesdays are days of hell. I'm pretty much no on my phone. Does it look like I'm sleeping when I'm on the phone? When I'm on the phone, it might just look like I'm sleeping, but I'm not. I'm not tired at all. I am going to. I have work all weekend, so I got to do a bunch of prep. Yeah, for me, it should have been a better day. I think. What was the first trade? I forget. Okay, first trade was a loss, and I didn't retake it. Okay, so this was a loss. I was supposed to retake that. I never did. So that should have been a green overall trade. And then this was a winner. Should have been. See how simple it is? And then this was a winner. So it's like, see how simple few tweaks are to the day and how the day looks. And same as last Tuesday, I took 4 losses in a row. Last Tuesday, I didn't have any wins. So the PNL was a little bit more down. Today, at least I had one win. So kind of just, because I have 5 losses total today, but 4 losses in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is looking pretty to reverse. It's getting prepped to reverse. Blew an account today. I mean, it happens. Definitely chop like we haven't seen in a while, but perfect scalping day. You just gotta be precise. I'm gonna see what I could learn from today. What makes today different? Why is there no follow through? All right, why is there no follow through today? Because 60 ticks is really not that much. Like a lot of these candles are like, just enough. Do I think the market's gonna crash soon? I don't know. Yeah, all-time highs all the time. It's crazy. Powell speaking might be part of that. Yeah, I think the reversal is gonna happen. I just am out of bullets. If I keep trading today and I take another loss, then it's gonna be my first $20,000 losing day, and I don't want to have a $20,000 losing day before I have a $20,000 winning day. So that's gonna be my cutoff. I'm in my Top Step account. I don't trade this one on stream though. I usually trade this on my phone. That's how it is. Sometimes twist. It's that one extra day that you need. What a reversal. Target hit. Made 300 bucks on Top Step. Long exit. So up 2,000. I just took out 1,400 from this account. So hopefully get this account back to 3,000. Take out another 1,500. Just extra cash. Because I want to build to 5 arithmetic Top Step accounts. Keem, I'm not sure what the inactivity rules are with Apex. I have no idea. I've never read into that because I never have that issue. So definitely confirm. Max allocation for Apex 3 million. 6 million. 2,300k accounts. This is a thing of beauty right here. This is the higher high that everyone wants to buy first. Get stopped out. Trap the shorts. Boom. That's what I needed to wait for. But oh well. Another red day. Yeah, I'm under review now, and I'm gonna get denied, most likely, because now I'm way below 30% or above 30%. I keep saying below, but it's above 30%. I mean, I don't know exactly how much I'm like on some of the accounts. It's just I took a big loss last Tuesday. I finally got to recover that loss, and I was hoping to grow the accounts before they approved them. And here I am taking another loss and the wins, right? It comes down to the losses because the wins were small. If the wins were normal size last 3 days, this would be just a blip in the radar. I would have had multiple $20,000 days, right? It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen eventually. I just gotta let the trades work. But I'm still break even on the week. Oh, today's Tuesday. Let's see. Friday I made 6,000. Yesterday I made 8,000. So that's 14. Last week was a short week. I'm just disappointed in the winning trades. I really hope that I could get back on track and just let them work. I think today is gonna help me with that though. All right, guys. Any questions? I'm so tempted to trade more, but I just know I can't. Because now the market's finally reversing. No, you can't connect Top Step X. Top Step X is its own data, I believe. I wish they could, but they don't. Actually, I have an eval that's almost passed on Top Step. Wait, I thought. Damn, if I would pass this, I would have 4 funded accounts with Top Step. Payouts to Top Step are pretty quick. I don't think I received the money yet, but let me see. I forget which bank I'm using for Top Step. But the approval happened to me the next day. Or the confirmation. Yeah, didn't get it yet. Jacob, no. It's normal. Remember, guys, Apex just did $35 million in payouts. Imagine how many people they have to go through to approve $35 million in payouts. Just think about it. How many people they have to approve to get to that payout? I mean, it's just insane. Of course, you will not find a person that's like fake on there. Like everyone's payouts get posted there. Look, Top Step did 40 million, which is not bad, but that's in all these years. Apex just did that in 1 month. I mean, I see in my Discord, I see people in my Discord getting crazy payouts, so it doesn't, if it's not true, then all the prop firms are lying, I guess. That's fine. I mean, you could look at it that way. I mean, it doesn't affect me personally. Right? To me, it doesn't matter if Apex is paid out $2 million or $100 million. It doesn't matter to me as long as they're paying me and and everyone I know personally is getting paid. Then I don't really care how much they pay out. It, again, does not affect me, so I'm not gonna overthink it too much, right? I think the reason why it's such a big payout month is because of the resets. A lot of the resets they did helped people get to payout. It has to be. I mean, there's no other explanation for me personally. I don't see a reason why. I don't see a reason why there would be such a big influx in payouts other than the resets. Jared, you could also do that on your personal account, and I guarantee you will not do that on your personal account. I guess I am different because I traded real money for a long time. I've traded stocks and futures with real accounts, but I primarily traded stocks with real accounts, and I would never take out money. And I just took a max loss on the eval on Top Step. Just took 5 contracts, so quick loss there. But I forget what I was saying. Oh, like taking money out quickly. It does not. Taking money out quickly, all it does, it makes you want to make more money faster. Versus with something like Bullnox or Apex, you're okay with making $200 to $300 a day because you know that you can make a lot of money doing that because of 20 accounts. Versus with Top Step, you have no caps on payouts, so you want to grow as fast as you can. And guess what? A lot of times it's going to lead to bigger failure. Now, I've said that since the beginning. If you are a trader that could make $2,000 to $3,000 a day, then you definitely want to trade with like Top Step or someone that, you know, you could get paid quicker per account. Apex has never been about quick payouts. Apex has never been about big payouts fast from one single account. Apex has been about making a little bit of profit and turning that into, you know, 20 accounts and then turning that into big payouts, even though you didn't make a lot of money trading, right? Because you copy traded. Like say I lost 17,000, right? But I only lost 562. So if I traded one personal account, I would have lost 562. And then yesterday I would have made 280, whatever it was. 90% discount. We've had that for many occasions already. The 1-day pass definitely grew more payouts. 1 second. Why am I trading such a big size in this account? What? This account is gonna get blown over one more big red day. What the hell am I doing? You can't trade this kind of size with not enough drawdown. How fast is Top Step from buying an eval to payout? Technically 7 trading days. No, I'm done for the day. I can't take more trades. I'm down too much to risk more. Right. And the way things are going today, chances of losing are high, so I can't risk. I don't want to have a $20,000 losing day without having a $20,000 profit day first. What happened? ICT midnight. About me? Yeah, this is a winning trade right there. Not yet. It's not enough range today, I guess. But yeah, this is a trap as well. Like, there's so many traps now, but I basically overtraded here. Now the EMA is going to the upside, so there's more. Shame. Because it's crazy, because 2 wins are gonna make this loss back. Depends. Under review depends. I mean, I'm not sure why some people go under review. But some people definitely go under review because they broke some kind of rule, or you're close to breaking some kind of rule and the algorithm caught it. And like for me, this is the first time I've ever won under review, and it's because I'm over 30%. If I didn't have over 30%, I wouldn't go under review. So I probably should have never requested, but I was expecting to have green days after green days. And of course, last Tuesday I had a red day, and this Tuesday I have a big day. So I lost $40,000 pretty much. It's like 35,000 to be exact between last Tuesday and this Tuesday. So $35,000 lost in 2 days. I have to make $35,000 in 2 days because I can't have these green days to be $8,000 and $7,000 if the potential is there to make more. If I only have 1 winning trade, that is fine. But if I have 3 winning trades and I only make $280, that is a big problem. That is a big problem. This is such a beautiful trap. Holy shit. Look, perfect entry candle because it doesn't snap like, 60, 70 ticks. So it's a perfect candle. Man, what a move here. This was the A+ setup. I gotta take a screenshot of that. Because here was like lower lows every time. There was no, looking in hindsight, there's really no higher highs, right? Like, I don't know. I mean, I'm not too upset overall, but I just wish I had enough, drawdown to be able to take one more trade. Would make a big difference in P&L, but can't do it now. Can you RRB 4-1? Yes, it can. All right, guys. I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a very short stream. Tomorrow's gonna be probably like an hour long stream. I'm gonna try to get right at 9:30 a.m. and I gotta be done at 10:30. So it's gonna be a short one. Hopefully you could get a trade tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to make this back because tomorrow's gonna be 1 trade probably. Same as last week. I can't even watch this anymore. All right, guys. I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good rest of your trading day. Finally, the market has reversed. Finally, the traps are working. Definitely gonna analyze the market later today if I have time. But for now, I'm gonna sign off. I have no accounts that I want to trade with, so Mike Hawk. I would love to take credit for that, but that's all on you, brother. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did all the work. I'm just here for entertainment, right? So there might be some things I say different that might, make you realize how to look at these accounts differently, but at the end of the day, you're the one pressing buttons, so congrats to you. Good job. I feel okay, cats. The only thing I'm upset about is the last, remember, 3 days? No, Thursday was closed. So last 2 days. That's what I'm upset about. I'm not upset about today. Today is just didn't work. I mean, obviously I'm upset about these two trades. Like this I was supposed to retake, and this is supposed to be a win, right? I'm upset about that because it would have been a green day again. All right, it would have been a green day because I would have been up 150 here, would have been up 400, 450. Probably would have never even taken this trade. It would have been a great day. That's how small of a difference it makes if you just take that first trade to be a winner, or if I would have retaken this and be green and then retaken this and let it work. All those differences would make the day better. So I just gotta, losses are gonna happen, right? The losses, I mean, maybe over traded here, maybe forced things, but I was expecting a reversal and never came. So, but I would have never traded here if these trades were winners. So everything has just got to fall into place, and it is what it is. But again, guys, this is exactly what happened last Tuesday. Came back, made the losses back, did a revenge trade, wasn't upset. Like, starting to accept losses is something that we have to do as traders at some point, especially with a prop firm like now with Apex. You can't just lose the accounts all the time. Walking away on red days is the toughest thing for many people. And for me, it is too, but not right now. Right now, last couple of times I had a red day, I realized that walking away right now, long term, is going to benefit me a lot more than trying to trade right now. And if I take one more loss or two more losses, it's going to be such a big red day that it's just not going to, it's not going to play out well for the next few days. Versus now, for example, to give you guys an example, like I'm down 562 right now. If I take a trade and I win right now, I'm going to win $300 per account. So I'm going to be down 262 or whatever, 270 per account. And how am I going to feel? I'm still going to feel like I'm red, right? So I'm going to try to maybe trade more. It's not going to make a huge difference. I'm still going to be red on the day. Versus if tomorrow, if I take that same trade and I'm up $300 per account, it's going to feel like a completely different day. It's going to feel like a great day, green day, made $300 per account or per contract. So I'm going to be up whatever, like $8,000, and I'm going to be super happy with that. Versus today, if I make back 8,000, I'm still going to be red on the day. So my emotions are going to be like, oh, I'm still red. I want to keep trading. So I'd rather just pause, move on, trade tomorrow, get that win, and then hopefully get back on track. But of course, right now, the payouts are questionable on many of the accounts. And also, these accounts are not questionable, but I don't want them to be approved now. Like, I don't want these accounts to get to payout because then I'm going to have only $1,200 in drawdown. I don't want that. I want to have enough cushion in the accounts where I could keep requesting payouts every 2 weeks. That is my goal. But again, all it comes down to, if I'm going to have one losing day a week, I must have the big days. I must have the big days. Small days are only okay if I don't have a losing day. But if I'm going to have, one losing day a week, then I need to make sure that the wins count when they are there. Like, they have to count. They cannot be squished. The wins are there to combat the losses. And if the losses are cut in half, if the wins are cut in half or less, that's not good. Sam, the 250K account only has $5,000 drawdown. Right? No, 6,500. You must have lost 6,500 from the high of the account because you're doing an eval. Yeah. I don't know exactly how you wax the car. I guess you just wax it, you don't polish it. I have ceramic coating on it too, so I don't need to do anything. Just wipe it down. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. Have a good day, and I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Again, tomorrow's gonna be a short stream because I got an appointment at 11 o'clock. Sucks, but yeah, this is fine. Again, part of the game, like Niels just said. I'm not worried about this at all. I'm not even upset with today's trading. I'm just upset with previous days. Keep repeating myself, but that's the truth. There's no continuation, no expansion, no follow through. When there was, I did not capitalize on it. So it is what it is. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna shut off the platforms and just be happy with what we got. All right. Future trader. I'm closing the stream now. Stream is over. This is not a fake out. It's not a trap. Later, guys. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. All right, be good, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Be here early. It's gonna be a short stream. Take care, guys. Later.